Hello and welcome to Physical Geology. I am Dr. Robert Lopez, your instructor for this course. And this is a 4-unit course in physical geology, which includes the lecture part, which will be a combination of lectures like I'm doing here, these online lectures, reading assignments in the textbook. I have some other tutorials you'll do online as well. So there's a combination of activities that we'll be doing. The first thing you want to go through is actually the syllabus. So here I have the syllabus, and I've emailed you the syllabus already. The syllabus will be available on our course management system called Angel, and I'll talk more about that in a moment. But let's just start off with the syllabus. So again, Dr. Robert Lopez, my office here on campus is SM45F. Here's my email, robert.lopez@wvm.edu. You could also email me very easily through the Angel course management system. That's an internal email system only to members of our classroom. So I'm always checking that so you can get me there as well. My office phone number up here, and then I do have some campus office hours if you're around Saratoga during these times. Again, if you need to see me, we could also arrange a time for you to meet me. Just send me an email or give me a call. And we can arrange a time. So again, this course is transferable to UC, CSU, iGETC pattern. It's a pretty popular course. Obviously, since we're doing the work online, you need a solid internet connection, the lecture textbook, which I'll talk about, with the SmartWork registration card or access to the SmartWork online homework. And then the Geology lab kit, the all-important lab kit. You want to get that thing ordered as soon as possible. It takes up to 5-6 days to get it. And next week we have labs due by June 18th. So you want to have that certainly by Monday or Tuesday, Wednesday of next week at the latest, so you can get those labs going. Now the lecture text is Essentials of Geology, the 4th edition by Stephen Marshak. You want to have it with a SmartWork registration card. Although there's an ebook variety here, an ebook option that comes with the online homework for SmartWork. And so, in fact, I have the web page going here. So you can see this is the one, the loose leaf with the SmartWork registration card. Although if you see there's these other options that are considerably cheaper. In fact, this ebook one is probably a good deal. And you can see on this one, I think it's the one, this one right here, Essentials of Geology with SmartWork Online Homework. And this one's the one that's a pretty good deal. I think it's $47, $48. And I've had a couple of students already purchase this version, and it does come with access for registering to the SmartWork Online Homework. In fact, the key thing about this is I have a classroom in SmartWork, and you'll have to enroll into my classroom. In fact, let's look at the PowerPoint they sent me here, and I kind of edited it a little bit. So what you will need your email address, the course enrollment key, and I've given you that key already in the course syllabus. So I gave you that, and then you need that registration code from Norton when you buy your book or buy your ebook or however you're buying it. Let's say you bought a used textbook, you have a hard copy of a used textbook that doesn't have the registration card. Well, you can also go to Norton and just buy the SmartWork package all by itself with access to my SmartWork classroom, which is through the Norton account, through Norton, right? So you want to go to smartwork.www.norton.com, put in all your information there, right? And then you'll want to join my course, right? And my course is actually called Physical Geology Summer 2016. Make sure you do the Summer 2016. I do have another one called Summer 2015. Don't sign up for that one. Sign up for the 2016 course. And it should say Professor or Prof Lopez on there, right? And then again, you'll have enrollment key that I've given you already. And well, here it is right here, capital letters. So you'll enter these, and this enrollment key is also in the syllabus, right? And then as we go along here, we'll see that you can, if you don't have a registration code, you can get it through SmartWork, right? Again, if you purchased a used book and it doesn't have the code, you can always get one. And they're about $21, $25. Now going back to our syllabus here. So that's a lecture book, right? And so again, that SmartWork classroom, I can talk more about in a little bit, has homework assignments already there, and some that I've put in there and some that I've gotten from the publisher. But it's all guided with your textbook. It goes hand in hand with your textbook, and it's a really important learning tool. Now, the other big part of this course is the lab, right? So it's a 4-unit course, 3 units lecture, 1 unit lab. However, the lab course takes the same number of hours as the lecture. So ideally, it's 54.4 semester hours for lecture. And in addition to that, since we have a lab, it's 54.4 hours for the lab. So the lab is equally as time-consuming as the lecture part in terms of meeting times, right? So this lab kit, I've sent you information on this again through the syllabus, and I've actually sent some emails out. I've attached instructions how to order your lab kit, right, with this syllabus. So in fact, I have my lab kit over here, so you can see it comes in a box like this. eScience Labs. You'll see that it's a West Valley Kit 7021, right? And in this box, basically it's a lab in a box. You'll have all your labs you need for the semester. I do have some additional ones that I put in there, some paper labs that you don't need any material, but to kind of supplement and round off the time, the 54.4 hours. Right. One of the things that I'm going to ask you to do is once you get your geology lab kit from eScience, and again you want to order this as soon as possible, is I'm going to ask you to take a picture of your access code. And here is the access code. It's on the inside cover, the top of the box. You'll send me a picture of that and email it to me, and I'll just to ensure that you have a lab kit, right? And so I've already used this kit, so this one won't help you, but you'll see that with that access code, you'll be able to get to the lab manual and all the labs that are online through eScience Labs, right? One important thing to note, and right off the top here, you're not going to be able to pass this course without a geology lab kit. You'll see that the lab comprises about 30% of the course. So again, get that kit ordered as soon as possible. Now what I want to do next, I want to stop here and finish the remainder of this introduction lecture in the next video. But bye for now.